So let's talk about few question of national test over test 26. So first question. So choose the saturated fatty acid from saturated fatty acid from the following compound. Now, here we can see that saturated fatty acid are palmitic acid, linoleic acid, oleic acid, arachidonic acid. Now, palmitic acids are C16 carbon containing here, let's say 16 is to 0. 0 is there is no unsaturation. So, saturated fatty acid is palmitic acid, right? Linoleic acid is 18 carbon octadecanoic acid. 18 carbon. Here unsaturation is 2. 18 is to 2. 2 unsaturation there. Oleic acid also have 18 carbon, but its a unsaturation is 1 unsaturated bond or double bond is there. And arachidonic acid, it's also known as oikosanoid. It says cis oikosa tetranoic acid. Say 20 is to 4. Say 4 unsaturation is there. So 4 unsaturated bonds is present. In case of palmitic acid, it's a saturated compound. So answer is option 1. Option 2. In a bacteria divides every 35 minutes. If a culture containing 10 to the power 5 cells per ml is grown for 2 hours 55 minutes, so what will be the cell concentration per ml? We know that formula equal to n0 into 2 to the power n, where n0 is the initial number or first starting of division, initial number, and n is the final number. Now here, so here is that total is 35 minutes. So bacteria divide each 35 minutes, bacteria will divide. So total 2 hours 55 minutes. Here we'll get 120 plus 55, 175 minutes, right? 175 minutes will get how many how many growth cycle, because it's a, so one bacterial cells divide into two bacterial cells divide into four. In that way they will 4 to 6, 16, 16 to 32, in that way they will divide. So now here we'll get the number of cycle 5. So here n equal to small n equal to number of division cycle is 5 here. So total number will be n equal to n0, that is initial the containing 10 to the power 5 cells into 2 to the power 5. So 32 into 10 to the power 5 cells is the final. So first is the one bacteria. Now see that one bacteria divides every 35 minutes. So every 35 minutes the division cycle, let's say first 30 minutes and then next it divide after 30 minutes. So this is a if a culture containing 10 to the power 5 cells per ml and grown for 2 hours 35 minutes. So in 2 hours 35 minutes we get 5 division cycles. So 5 division, it will n equal to 5. So formula is n equal to n0 into 2 to the power n. So put it and you will get 32 into 10 to the power 5. So correct answer is 32 into 10 to the power 5. So next question. Organic compound firmly bound to an apoenzyme to make its catalytic activity. We know that in case of enzyme there is several terms, that is apoenzyme, cofactor, holoenzyme, and prosthetic group. Apoenzyme is the protein part of proteinaceous part of an enzyme is the apoenzyme, and non-protein part of the enzyme is the cofactors, and holoenzyme is apoenzyme plus cofactor. Together we call apoenzyme plus cofactor. Together is called holoenzyme. And prosthetic group is that organic compound when firmly bound to apoenzyme, and its catalytic activity is the due to prosthetic. Prosthetic group is tightly bound with enzyme. It's a tightly bound with apoenzyme. So apoenzyme is protein part of the enzyme. So this is a protein part of the enzyme. Cofactors is the non-protein part. Cofactor may be divided into coenzyme and metal activator. Cofactor can be divided into coenzyme and metal activator. Organic cofactor is known as coenzyme. Organic cofactor is known as coenzyme. An inorganic cofactor is known as metal activator. Metal activator. So inorganic cofactor is known as metal activator. Organic cofactor is known as coenzyme. And prosthetic group is tightly bound with apoenzyme. See, strong bonds is there. It's not easy to break. That's why say now here holoenzyme is apoenzyme plus cofactor together we known as holoenzyme. So answer is option C is the correct answer. So prosthetic group. Now next question. The mode of action of an enzyme is, we know that enzyme actually lowers the activation energy. Enzyme lowers the activation energy. If we see the activation energy graph, if we reaction path versus energy, so first without enzyme, suppose it's a now activation in, if we use enzyme, if you use enzyme, so only that much amount of say here product and these are the activation energy without enzyme. Energy without here enzyme plus substrate. These are transition state. So here activation energy now without enzyme. Now this amount of energy, these are activation energy with enzyme. Activation energy with enzyme. So enzyme actually lowers the activation energy or decrease the activation energy by making some covalent some bonds weak interaction with substrate. That's why enzyme lowers the activation energy, right? Now next question. If the stroke volume of an athlete is 100 ml and the beat rate is 82 per minute, what will be the cardiac output? We know that cardiac output equal to heart rate into stroke volume. No, cardiac output equal to cardiac output equal to heart rate into stroke volume. So here cardiac output heart rate is given. Heart rate is 82 beats per minute and stroke volume is 100. So 8200, it's a ml. So 8.2 liter, right? So cardiac output equal to, remember, heart rate into stroke volume. So answer is 8.2. Now next question. The contractile vacuole is an important site for excretion and it is absent in contractile vacuole present in paramecium. Contractile vacuole is there. Entamoeba, it's also have contractile vacuole. Euglena also contain contractile vacuole, but Plasmodium lack. It's a sporozoan, so it's lack the uh, contractile vacuole. So answer is Plasmodium. So next. The enzyme nitrogenase is highly sensitive to molecular oxygen at its requires anaerobic condition. In nodules, anaerobic condition is provided by, actually anaerobic condition is provided by some um, uh, leg hemoglobin present in their nodules. Not factored, actually several node genes are there, actually nodulation forming genes is there, but it's a not involved in nitrogenase enzyme in sensitivity, because leg hemoglobin provides the anaerobic condition, oxygen availability, decrease the oxygen availability and creates the anaerobic environment. That's why the answer is leg hemoglobin. Oxygen is not, and bacteroids also not. So answer is C. Sure. Next question. Which of these best describe how substrate feeds with enzyme? This question have some wrong, and this question answer should be the option A. The active site changes shape slightly to feed. That we know the induced feed model, according to induced feed model. So this and option will answer will be A. Now, next question. A wasteful light-induced respiratory process releasing carbon dioxide. We know that wasteful light, it's a photorespiration. During photorespiration, oxygen is taken off and carbon dioxide is released. Photorespiration, it's a wasteful process, and three organelles in involved: chloroplast, peroxisome, and mitochondria. Three organelles are there: chloroplast, peroxisome, and mitochondria. Chloroplast, peroxisome, chloroplast, peroxisome, and mitochondria. Three organelles are involved. Now here the Richmond-Lang effect. Richmond-Lang effect is the decreasing the effect of cyanation due to use of cytokinin. Cytokinin decrease the effect of cyanation, and these are called Richmond-Lang effect, or lag of cyanation of leaves and other parts due to the application of cytokinin. It's called Richmond-Lang effect. So it's a retardation of aging. So Richmond-Lang effect is the retardation of aging due to application of cytokinin. Due to application of cytokinin. Cytokinin, we know that cytokinin is a plant hormones and it's involved in decrease the senation. Now PCR is a polymerase chain reaction, so it's not, and pass through effect is a related to fermentation. So answer is B, that is photorespiration. Now, next question. Which of the following statement is correct about glycolysis? We know during glycolysis, glucose is converted into pyruvate, right? Glucose, first is glucose, then glucose is converted to glucose 6-phosphate, glucose 6-phosphate to fructose 6-phosphate, fructose 6-phosphate to fructose 1,6-bisphosphate, then fructose 1,6-bisphosphate is split into two, that is glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate and 1,3-bisphosphoglycerate. So here you have to correct about glycolysis. In this process, glucose undergoes complete oxidation to form two molecules of pyruvate. Not complete oxidation, it's not complete oxidation, and because in glycolysis after the Krebs cycles is there and electron transport chain is there, so in aerobic organism it is only process of respiration. No, it's in aerobic organism there is a Krebs cycles and electron transport chains is there. In plants, high this glucose is derived from sucrose. This glucose is derived from sucrose. No, actually glucose and plant food during photosynthesis, plant produce glucose, then it can be, as glucose is a reducing sugar and reactive sugar, that's why it's converted into more less reactive form sucrose and transport in sucrose form, and then transported in the forms of sucrose. That's why plant transport in a non-reducing sugar, that is sucrose form. So this also, now it's see that this one, the glucose, first is glucose in glycolysis, glucose is converted into glucose 6-phosphate, glucose 6-phosphate, glucose 6-phosphate convert into fructose 6-phosphate, fructose 6-phosphate, fructose 6-phosphate convert into fructose 1,6-bisphosphate, fructose 1,6-bisphosphate, fructose 1,6-bisphosphate split into two, but one is converted into DHAP, that is dihydroxyacetone phosphate, dihydroxyacetone phosphate. Another is glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate, glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate. So correct answer is C. Now next question. In a given scheme of the diagram, which is plus splastocyanin. Now here you know that these are the diagram of a jade scheme. In jade scheme, first is a P680, so converted into P680 star, and then pheophytin, here it should be P600, then pheophytin QA QB QAQB, cytochrome B6F complex, and then P700. So QAQB here, actually we can put it both here, QA and QB. Then cytochrome B6F complex, cytochrome B6F complex, that are PC. So plastocyanin is the connector between PS1 and PS2. Plastocyanin, that is D, is the PC, plastocyanin. Now it's a, now P700 then converted into A0, A1, FES, FD, FNR. So these are part of JADE scheme. It's a non-cyclic photophosphorylation, and then so answer is D, is the plastocyanin. Now next, select the incorrect statement. Phylum Hemichordata consists of a small group of worm-like marine animals with organ system level of organization. Yes, in case of phylum Hemichordate, the Balanoglossus belong to Hemichordata. Hemichordate, it's a worm-like marine animals. And in case of radula is the grasping teeth of mollusca. Radula is a grasping teeth of mollusca, helps in feeding. Parapodia is a locomotory organs is found in aquatic annelids. Yes, parapodia in annelids. So fertilization is usually internal. No, in echinoderms, we know that in sea urchin fertilization, sea urchin is belong to echinodermata. Sea urchin, it's external fertilization. So in case of external fertilization, in case of echinodermata, we found that the say external fertilization, not internal fertilization. So it's not correct. So answer is B. Now, light blight of potato is caused by Phytophthora infestans. It's a Phytophthora infestans is the correct answer. Now, the site of perception of light and dark duration, that's called photoperiodism. Photoperiodism, basically light day perception, basically in the leaves. So correct answer is the leaves. So site of perception of light and dark are in the leaves. Now next. Nitrosomonas and Nitrococcus are associated with which of the following reaction? Nitrosomonas and Nitrococcus, these bacteria are associated with ammonia. To ammonia is oxidized to nitrite. Let's say nitrification. Now, so next question.